Hey, what's up guys, welcome to this video. And in this video we'll be talking about no code platforms. No code platforms are the platforms with which you can build websites, apps, etc without even having to write single line of code. Okay, so most of the features present on these no code platforms is like drag and drop functionalities. Let me just tell you all one of the famous platform where you can build a website without even having to write a single line of code, and that is WordPress. Okay, so I have worked with the WordPress, and WordPress is a really good platform if you want to develop websites without even having to write single line of code. You can build a website like that of the news websites, then the e-commerce websites, the management system, personal blogs. There are a lot many other examples like the appointment booking website. Okay, so these are some of the examples on which I have personally worked on, and I have developed these projects. And WordPress really makes your work it really makes your work easy for you all. Okay, and there are also a lot many other platforms, and one of the best platform which I came across is the Bubble. So this is the best one of the best platform with which you can build the web apps without even having to write a single line of code, and you can try out the features for free over here. Okay, and over here this functionality is also same, like there are drag and drop functionalities. Then you can start for free, but if you want to publish your app or whatever that you are building, then that time you have to pay some money. Okay, so if I'm just going and showing you the pricing over here, then let's see. Okay, so basically it's a free and but if you want to try out the other features and all, then these are the pricing. Okay, so in the free plan you get the core platform features and the bubble branding and the community support, etc. But I don't think you can publish whatever that is built by you with the help of this platform for free. You have to pay some money. Okay, so just go through this. Currently in this video I'll be introducing you guys to just this some of the platforms which you should know as a developer. Okay, and this is the article which is written by the uibakery.io backslash bubble alternative. So this is the bubble platform, and these are the alternatives for that this platform. Okay, so this website has given some of the 1 2 3 4 5 6 alternatives they have given. They have basically done the comparative study between the bubble and these other 5 platforms, which is Retool and the Wavemaker, then the Betty Blocks, then the Drona HQ and the UI Bakery. Okay, so first is ability to try all the features for free. On the bubble you cannot try all the features for free, but editing only on the Retool, and for rest of the platform it's a no. Then this is the monthly price this feature, in which I think the cheapest one is UI Bakery, $7 per month, and the expensive one is I think the Betty Blocks. Easy to use, so not so easy. On the Retool it's a bit easier I guess in the Retool than the Drona HQ and the UI Bakery. And the responsive design on the bubble is fully responsive, only mobile and desktop responsive. And yes, it's most of the time it is always a good idea to have the responsive web or the app or the web, whatever you are designing. And the app branding basically starts from the $25 per month, only with the custom CSS, and these are the other features. Then the email support is absolutely important if you want to send emails to the clients or whoever is associated with your web or app or web app. And for bubble it's a yes, for Retool it's a no, and also for Drona issue it's a no. Otherwise the rest all the these platforms are supporting. And then the integrations, bubble is supporting the plugins and the APIs and data sources. Okay, so these are some of the other variations which could be seen throughout these platforms. Okay, so this article was well and good, and again they have again given the pros and the cons which you can go through. Just type out this URL and you'll be taken to this article. You can just read this article in detail, which will be showing you the comparative study between all these 5 to 6 platforms which are shown over here. Okay, so as a informative video which I made for you guys. I just want you guys to know that there are few platforms which are helping to which are supporting no code without I mean development without writing even single line of code. If you want to develop websites and all, then this WordPress is the best one, because WordPress is the one of the oldest platform. Now recently there are other platforms as well, like Wix. Wix is also there. Let me just show you all. Wix. Okay, so this is also platform. I have never used Wix, but I think it is somewhat similar to the WordPress. But WordPress is one of the oldest platform, and advantage of working with some old platform is that there is lot of data on the internet, lot many tutorials on the YouTube, and lot many plugins support, and the error resolution. If you are encountering an error and all during the development process, then there is a you will always find solution to all those errors and all. Okay, so this is one of the advantage of working with the one of the oldest platform, which is WordPress. Just go for it. And these are some of the other platforms which might be helpful for you all if you want to develop apps and all. Okay, so drag and drop functionalities are available. You just have to go and watch few tutorials, and you will learn how to develop websites as well as the apps. So thanks for watching. This is all about no code, introduction to the no code, and these are the platforms which you can try. Thanks for watching.